Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. What we're doing here today is that we are going to watch a drone show. Here's a display for Phantom Fall Fest, which is coming in September. I forgot what dates they are, but you can check on Adventurelandresort.com. You can check that out. Actually, where the drones are going to be at, I'm not really 100% sure, but I guess it's going to be somewhere in the stage area. If not, it might, they're like saying about the monster of some sort, so I'm not really 100% sure. But we'll figure that out as soon as the time gets closer. So this is the Adventureland stage. Like right over here, this is where it may have those drones going around. Or probably around those trees right over there. Maybe. I'm not 100% sure. All right, they just turn off all these lights and the show is about to start. Because actually the park is closed right now. It's getting pretty close. There they are. That's pretty cool. Ah, cool. Whoop. Ah, sorry. Wow, that's huge. State of Iowa. Oktoberfest. That's Oktoberfest. Oh, somebody's filling up some beer. Oh, there's the phone.
We took a monster man. It was a big monster.
Wow, people are reacting to that. That's cool.
The guests included Wolfman, Dracula, and his son. The scene was rocky, all were digging the sounds. Igor on things like 5 bay hounds. The coffin bangers were about to arrive. The crypt keeper 5.
Oh, it's a ghost.
They played the monster man. It was a graveyard smash. It was all in a flash.
Cool.
They played the monster man.
Monster. Oh, cool. Cool. Wow, it looks like the claws are just like coming out and reach for you. That's so cool. Bernie! Oh, there's his tongue. Oh, cool. Oh, roller coaster. That's the roller coaster car. That's cool. Oh, that's just cool. Oh, the old jingle. Oh, cool, fireworks. Oh, neat. 50 years. Yeah! 50 years. That was pretty good. Oh, they're gonna go land now.
Yep.
That was a pretty good show. That's celebrating 50 years of Adventureland. Hope you guys enjoy it. You guys take care.